Traffic's a little crazy today. Just thought I'd have a quick look at this little plant. Okay, I'm gonna try to go fast here. Ken Salvail here today, having a look at some native plants without getting run over here by all this speeding traffic. This is Penstemon fruticosa. I'll check and see if there's any other botanical names that come up, but you can see it all along this side here. So you want to talk about drought tolerance? There you go. That's a drought tolerant plant growing out of rocks right on a cliff. Spring blooming Penstemon fruticosa, native to this area. I'll attach some more photographs so you can see what they look like. But pretty tough plant. Mostly attractive in the springtime. They are evergreen in most cases. These guys have died back a bit this winter. You can see the dead growth on them, and that's just from the severe cold we had. -30 this winter, so pretty cold. That's -30 degrees Celsius. Anyway, pretty cool plant, a nice native for the Okanagan, and pretty tough. So we'll double check the botanical name for you and get that on the label.